save the project, going to File and Save. And here you have a whatever file name with .aep file extension. But in Combustion, you have to go to File and do Save Workspace. To save this file, go to Desktop, give the name Intro, and the extension would be .cws, which means Combustion Workspace. And now if you want to open the same, first do close Workspace and then go to File, open Workspace and choose the intro.cws file what you have saved on the desktop, and find the same project in the timeline again. Now what if I want to apply some effect on the footage? Like in After Effects, if I want to apply some effect like brightness and contrast, and then want to animate the effect, I'll do something like this. Increase and decrease the brightness and contrast value randomly. Now if you see the whole effect, it will look like something like this. Now if you want to do same kind of thing in Combustion, just select the Blue Hills layer. This is operators like effects in After Effects, and here you will find the same color correction, keying, noise and several other things just like in After Effects. Go to color correction and select brightness and contrast. You can see that the brightness and contrast effect has come in the stack. The same thing you will find in timeline also. You can increase or decrease the value of brightness and contrast. And if you want to animate the value of this effect, then make the animate button on, select brightness and contrast together, right click and add key. Now go to one frame forward. You can either go forward or backward by clicking these buttons, or just like in After Effects, you can do page up and page down. Now try to give some random values as was done in After Effects, something like this. And at last double click 0, double click 0. That's it. Make the animate button off. Now if you play the animation, you will find this effect. Great. So now you can apply any kind of effect on the footage like this. Now comes the rendering part. To render this clip, go to File, choose Render. The Render Queue window appears. This is the Output tab, where you have to specify in which format you want your output. You have several options here like TIFF, QuickTime. I'll choose Video for Windows. Option is compressor. It will ask which compressor you want. I'll choose Indio Video 5.10. Okay, quality is best. This is the frame size, 720 by 576. But file name is not set here. For this, click on File Name. By default, it has taken itself the name as Output 1. Save. It says that on the desktop, the Output 1 file will be saved. Leave the audio because we don't have any audio here. This is the render range. This is from 0 to 10 seconds. But I want it from 0 to something like 6 or 7 seconds. Drag it. You can see in the left side of window till where you want your output. That's good. Now click on Process button to render the footage. It will take a couple of seconds. Now your file is rendered. So this was a crash course on Intro to Combustion. There is one important thing you need to take care. If in After Effects the CTI is somewhere in the middle, and at that point of time if you import some other footage, let's say a sunset, it will always start from the first frame, but it doesn't happen in Combustion. If the CTI is somewhere in the middle of the timeline and then you try to import the sunset footage, it will start from the same frame where your CTI lies. So this could be a problem sometimes and will irritate the After Effects users most. So to overcome this problem, I'll do the same thing I did earlier. I'll go to the footage library, choose the sunset footage and increase the length, and then select the same sunset footage in the composite and then increase the length to the limit you have set, and then it can be brought to the first frame. Again, it won't go beyond that. Why? Because in the footage library you have to increase the length more for that, and then you will be able to increase the length of the footage in the composite also. So you have to be very careful about this thing in Combustion. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this After Effects versus Combustion workflow tutorial. I would like to present some more tutorials on Combustion in near future, and will let you know about some great features in Combustion like particles, by which you can create some very cool effects like explosion, fire, smoke and so many other things. Its powerful color correction technique is also a very coolest thing, which gives you far better result in less time. So guys, see you next time. This is Chandan Kumar. Bye bye.